Listen, if you are shaving your head in 2026 and still guessing what shaver to use, you're leaving a clean look on the table. I'm Chad from Beards, Heads, and Threads, or BHT Grooming, and I've tested a lot of these. So let's rank the top 7 head shavers from it'll work to this is the one. So let's get started. Coming in at number 7 is Groomie's BaldiePro. This one's like your entry level. I talked last year about how this was my favorite, but it has moved down to number 7. It's got a waterproof design and it's a quick shave, like a legit 3-minute daily maintenance shave. But here is the real talk from me. It feels honestly a little plasticky, not very good quality. Doesn't get the closest shade that the other ones get. And this one honestly would be probably best for beginners or for quick touch-ups. If you're just getting started in your bald journey, it works. But we're gonna go ahead and level up from here. Let's talk about number 6. So this one has built a reputation for palm style shavers. That is going to be the Pitbull Gold by Skull Shaver. This one is super ergonomic, smooth for everyday use, great for guys who want comfort over aggression. But honestly, compared to newer technology that's come out since this one, it's starting to honestly feel a little dated. So let's talk about number 5. Number 5 is a company called Hummingbird, came out a couple of years ago, and I've really enjoyed their products. This one is the MK12. Now we're stepping up into more of a premium feel. This one's got a stronger motor, cleaner cut than budget options, built like something you actually trust long term. Honestly, from my experience with this shaver, this is where you really start seeing a difference in the finish. So let's talk about number 4. Now, number 4 is going to be very, very surprising for a lot of people. It's honestly not a dedicated head shaver per se, but the foil shaver attachment that Brio offers for their beardscapes, it's amazing. This right here is clean, full shavers cut closer than Rotary, period. But it's less forgiving and it takes more technique. If you want that tight shave and you don't mind learning it, this hits. Let's talk about number 3. This one is one of those underrated killers, and that is the Aberlite Touch. This one's designed specifically for bald heads, by the way. Super smooth glide, easy to control. This is where convenience meets performance. And honestly, this is a sleeper pick that a lot of guys overlook. Let's move to number 2. This is the MK17 by Hummingbird. Foil and trimmer combo. It comes with the attachment right here for a trimmer. And I'm going to tell you right now, this one is built like a tank. Premium build, very close shave. But let me just keep it real with you. This thing is powerful. It's got 3 RPM settings, 7,000, 8,000, and 9,000, and it has a lot of power. If your skin is sensitive and you don't prep it right, it can be rough. Make sure you use a good pre-shave oil, and you already know where you can get that, bhtgrooming.com. Let's move to the number 1 that I have found to be one of my favorite picks that I've used over the last month or two, that I'm just going back to numerous times, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Can't say enough about it. And that is Maxgroom's 7D Head Shaver Pro. This is my top pick. Period. Best balance of comfort and closeness, smooth, consistent results, built for real daily use. This is the one where you're like, yeah, this is it. I'm not looking anywhere else. If you want something that's going to work every single time, this, my friends, is your move. This one's got different RPMs on it. 7,500, and it's going to go up to 8,800. It's got the percentage on there as far as the battery. It's got everything you'd want. It's got travel lock. It's got a magnetic head on it. There's not much you can't say about this one. Amazing. The head comes off, super easy to clean, good magnetic force to it. Incredible. You can buy them on Amazon, but man, this thing just feels great when you're shaving your head. Does a great job, close cut. So USB-C charging capabilities on this, and it just feels good in the hand. So here's the truth that nobody tells you. Rotary is a lot easier and it's way more forgiving. And foil shavers, on the other hand, are closer, but they are a lot more aggressive. And the right pick comes down to your skin and your routine. But if you want my personal ranking, you got it. Listen, guys, if you're serious about your grooming game, make sure you hit that like button and lock in with Beards, Heads, and Threads. And if you want your head and beard dialed in, you already know where to go, bhtgrooming.com. Thanks, guys, for watching this. Let me know in the comments what you think and what your favorites are. Until next time, always remember, look sharp and lead strong.